Welcome to AximTrade Market Analysis. I'm URUSD. Today I'll go over the weekly analysis and trade ideas for the major currency pairs, gold and Bitcoin. Let's begin with the major news to watch out for this week. On 25th October, we have German IFO business meeting climate for Euro. The next day, 26th October, we have consumer confidence for US. On 27th October, we have Consumer Price Index for Australia, Durable Goods for US, and Interest Rate Decision for Canada. On 28th October, we have Interest Rate Decision for Japan, Interest Rate Decision and Press Conference for Euro, and Gross Domestic Product for US. On 29th October, we have Retail Sales for Australia, Gross Domestic Product and Consumer Price Index for Euro and Canada. Let's move on with the analysis. On Euro USD, price managed to break the 1.16000 level and also the trend line last week. Next, I'm expecting the price to rise to test the 1.17000 level this week, as it's also the resistance area from the major downtrend. We have Gross Domestic Product and Consumer Price Index news scheduled for this week, which will have some impact on Euro USD. On GBPUSD, the price managed to break the major downtrend line last week, which indicates possible upside move. If the price closes above the 1.38000 level within this week, then there is high probability for the price to rise to test the 1.39000 level. We have consumer confidence, durable goods and gross domestic product news scheduled for this week, which we need to keep an eye on. On AUDUSD, the price managed to break and holds above the 0.74500 level last week. Next, I'm expecting for the price to continue to rise to test the 0.75600 level. We have Consumer Price Index and Retail Sales News scheduled on 27th and 29th October, which have some impact on AUDUSD. On NZDUSD, the price managed to break the pennant pattern and holds above the 0.71000 level last week. Next, I'm expecting the price to continue to rise to test the 0.72000 level. If this level is broken, then the next possible level for the price to test is the 0.72500. We have consumer confidence, durable goods and gross domestic products news scheduled for this week, which we need to keep an eye on. On USDCHF, price dropped and hold below the 0.92000 level last week. Next, I'm expecting for the price to drop further if it closes below the 0.91500 level this week. The next possible level will be 0.91000 level. We have consumer confidence, durable goods and gross domestic product news scheduled for this week. On USDCAD, price dropped and holds below the 1.24000 level last week. Next, I'm expecting for the price to continue to drop further if it closes below the 1.23400 level this week. And the next possible level for the price to test is the 1.22500 level. We have interest rate decision and gross domestic product news, which scheduled on 27th and 29th October, which will have some impact on USDCAD. On USDJPY, price continues to rally higher but failed to hold above the 114.500 level last week. Next, there is high probability for the market to drop to test the 113.200 level this week. And if that level is broken, then the next possible level will be 112.200. The news to watch out for will be the interest rate decision news, which scheduled on 28th October, which will have some major impacts on USDJPY. On gold, the price managed to break the major downtrend line last week, which indicates a possible upside move. If the price closes above the 1800 level this week, then the next possible level will be 1830. We have consumer confidence, durable goods and gross domestic product news scheduled for this week, which might have some impact on gold price. And finally, on Bitcoin, price managed to break the trend line but failed to hold below the 60000 level last week. Next, I'm expecting a drop if price closes below the 60000 level within this week. If that happens, then there is high probability for the price to drop to test the 53000 level. We have few major news scheduled for this week which we need to keep an eye on. That's the market analysis for this week. Thanks for watching.